All right, finally got her done. We're back here getting ready to do the first startup after I put the TKO600 in it. So I finished up, I put the smog pump delete pulley on. Got that on and got all that smog pump stuff out of there. That's all cleaned up now. Got everything all tidied up, batteries buckled up. So we're gonna do the first startup and make sure she starts. It's been almost a month since she's been running, so let's see what happens here. Got the new clutch in and everything. I was feeling the pedal and I really like the feel of the pedal, so I'm really excited to take this thing for a drive. Let's see how she does. Clutch is out. She's idling. She didn't sound very good on startup there. I think I got a bum belt or something maybe. Yeah, she sounds a little weird. And we'll let the oil pump get some oil around to it. Like I said, it hasn't been running for over a month, so. Yeah, we'll let that oil pump get moving and let it pump some oil up into this engine. It shouldn't, yeah, it's quieting down now a little bit. For a little bit, make sure that oil gets moved around in the engine and everything gets lubricated before I take her out and move her. Hopefully everything goes together well and hopefully it moves good. Hopefully I did everything right. So far so good, I guess. We'll have to wait and see, I guess, huh? I mean, it sounds all right. Well, let's button her up and take her for a test drive. Make sure all the gears work and everything. Sounds of it. lubrication through that transmission and get everything seated. Rattles a little bit, I guess. Trying to make sure that everything gets seated in and see how it works. It seems to be shifting fairly easy. Better as we go. Hopefully with the lubrication getting around that transmission, it'll make it sound better. It wasn't sounding very good when we first started rolling. Chatter, it sounds like the clutch. Chatter.
Yeah.
Working. I mean, I did something right anyway. Maybe not everything, but it seems like I did something right anyway. I definitely don't have as much vibration out of my transmission as I did with that T5 in here. So we've cured some of our vibration issues anyway. Nicer than it was before. It's almost like driving my Scion. See, on that downshift, I get a little bit of vibration in the tranny on that downshift, but it's not terrible, I guess. Like I said, we'll take it easy on it. We'll break it in. We won't whoop on it. We're gonna take it back home and look over everything, tighty. And then we'll probably take it for a longer cruise, but for now I'm just gonna go home and check everything out and make sure it's all good to go. It seems like it's good. I mean, worthy of a cruise anyway. So this is our first drive, and it looks so far so good anyway. The vibration in the shifter right there a little bit on that downshift, but it's not terrible. The clutch feel is really awesome. I mean, I really like the feel of that clutch. The pedal anyway, it feels really good. I was kind of expecting the clutch engagement to be a little more harsh, but it seems to be pretty friendly actually. It's not bad at all. Very streetable it seems anyway. I mean, not like I'm pushing a crap load of horsepower or nothing, but I was worried about the clutch being real grabby, being that it can hold 800 horsepower. I was expecting it to have a lot of grab to it, but it seems to be very streetable, very nice. Hopefully that little bit of chatter at idle goes away. We'll see. We'll get her broke in properly. Back. I don't know, it all seems good. Just picking up a little bit of chatter once in a while with that clutch, so like I said, we'll break it in. I'll do a review on it here in a little while after I get a few miles on it, get it broke in, and I actually get to play with it a little bit. Maybe I'll do a little bit of a review on it. Until then, I think this is going to be it for this car for now, guys. Got the TKO600 installed, and it runs and drives again, so I'm going to take it for a cruise. We'll talk to you guys later.